Hello viewers, good day to you all. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for those that are new to my YouTube channel or my Facebook page, please don't forget follow my page. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to share this video, like it, and also comment. If you could remember, in our previous class, we discussed on how to write symbols of the elements, and also we seen the reason why some of the elements have the symbol that is not derived from the name, like sodium and potassium, where we said their name is derived from the Latin name. For sodium, we said it's Na because the Latin name of sodium is natrium. Also for potassium, its symbol is capital letter K because its Latin name is Kalium, and that K is derived from its Latin name, as I said, Kalium. So today, in today's class, we are going to see how to write a mass number of each element from number 1 element to number 20 element. And also, from this video, the next video will be the mass number after Latin name. It should be the mass number of the first 30 elements in periodic table. So there is two condition for the trick way to memorize the mass number of each element. So the number one case is if we have even number, we just multiply the atomic number of that element with 2. And if number 2, if the mass atomic number of that element is an odd number, then we say that atomic number times 2, then we say plus 1. And also, somebody would be like curious, what is this even number and what is odd number? Even number are the numbers that 2 can easily divide them without having a remainder. Because now 2, 4, 6, 8, different up to, just different up to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, up to infinity. That is how even numbers are, because even number are numbers that can be divided by 2 and also without having a remainder. Also for odd number is what Hausa people used to call it as mara. Any number that cannot be divided by 2, that is an odd number without a remainder. So you see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. For the sake of students of mathematics, all prime factors are odd numbers, but not all odd numbers are prime factors. I hope you understand. So now, if you understand even number and odd number, believe you find it easy, and you are gonna memorize the mass number of each element in this video just now without any wasting of time. Just keep following. Nevertheless, you can see some exceptional elements, hydrogen, nitrogen, and chlorine. So that our rule is not necessary for it to apply to these hydrogen, nitrogen, and chlorine. And as we are doing it, I may tell you the reason behind that. Now, let's start seeing from the hydrogen how to write this mass number. Now, for hydrogen, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So then we said hydrogen, is it odd number or mass number? So without even considering that, I told you that hydrogen has an exceptional case, so its mass number is just written as just 1. Also, for helium, the atomic number of helium, as you can see, is 2. So since it's 2, 2 is what? Is a even number. Then we say now 2 what? Times 2, it will give us what? 4. So this is the mass number of helium. Then for lithium, what is the atomic number of lithium? The atomic number of lithium is 3. So we say 3 times 2. And since 3 is an odd number, then we say plus 1. Then 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So the mass number of lithium is 7. Then for beryllium, the atomic number of beryllium is 4. Then we write 4. Then times 2. Since 4 is an even number, we just multiply it by 2. What we have? We have 8. So 8 is the mass number of beryllium. Then for boron, the mass number, the atomic number for boron is 5. And 5, if you could remember, is an odd number. So we say times 2 plus 1, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. It's 11. So then for carbon, the atomic number of carbon is 6. Then we write 6 here. We say 6. Okay. Then 6 times 2. Since 6 is odd number, is even number, we just multiply by 2. Then we say it's equal to 12. So this is the mass number for oxygen. Then nitrogen, I told you that nitrogen has an exceptional case. So its mass number is written as 14. Just like the way hydrogen has an exceptional case. So also for oxygen, oxygen has atomic number 8, and that 8 is even number. So we just say 8 times what? Times 2, then is equal to 16. So this is how to write the mass number of oxygen. Then fluorine, the atomic number of fluorine is 9, and 9 is what? 9 is odd number. Then we say 9 times 2 plus 1 is equal to what? 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Then the mass number of fluorine is 19. Then neon, the atomic number of neon is 10. Then 10 is an even number. Then we just multiply by 2 only. Then now we say 10 times 2 is equal to 20. And the mass number of neon is now 20. Then for sodium, the atomic number of sodium is 11. So we now see sodium is have an exceptional case. So its mass number is 23. Don't worry. If I finish, I will explain the reason why. So, the atomic number for magnesium is 12. We now say 12 times 2. 12 times 2 is equal to 24. So 24 is the mass number of magnesium. Then also for aluminium, the atomic number of aluminium is 13. So 13 is an odd number. So if you could remember the trick for odd number, we say 13 times 2, then we say plus 1, then it's equal to 13 times 2 is what? Is 26. 26 plus 1 is 27. So that is how we arrive at the mass number of aluminium to be 27. Also for silicon, the atomic number of silicon is 14, and 14 is an even number, so we just multiply by 2. Then we say 14 times 2 is equal to what? 14 times 2 is equal to what? 28. Also, don't forget, if you see any mistake, just drop it in the comment section so we interact and solve it. I'll correct it in the next video for the sake of learners, so that we won't learn something that is not good or something that is mistaken. So phosphorus has atomic number of 15, and 15 is an odd number, so we just say 15 times 2 plus 1. 15 times 2 is what? Is 30 plus 1, 31. So the mass number of phosphorus is 31. This is the easiest way, because all these numbers, without this trick, maybe sometime you can forget. Then for sulfur, the atomic number of sulfur is 16. So 16 is an even number. Then we just say 16 times 2 is equal to what? Is equal to 32. That is the mass number for sulfur. Then for chlorine, it's like I told you that chlorine too has have an exceptional case because its mass number is written as 35.5. Then number 18, which is argon, the atomic number for argon is 18. Having 18 as an even number, we just say 18 times 2, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 30, that what? 36. Are you sure? Yes, me, I'm sure. Then potassium, what is the atomic number for potassium? The atomic number for potassium is 19, and 19 is an odd number. So we now say 19 times 2 plus 1. 19 times 2 is 38. 38 plus 1 is 39. So this is how we arrive at the mass number of potassium to be 39. Also, for calcium, the atomic number for calcium is 20, and also 20 is an even number. Then we just say 20 times 2, which is equal to 40. 40. That is the end. Okay. I hope this video is helpful, and I do believe that if you follow all these tricks, for even numbers, atomic number with even number, just multiply by 2, and the atomic numbers with odd number, if you multiply by 2, then add plus 1. So it will give you the number, atomic number, the mass number of the first 20 elements. And the exceptional case is hydrogen, nitrogen, chlorine, and also okay, sorry. Sodium doesn't have that exceptional case. I'm sorry, please. We can still write it. Then we can say 11 times 2 plus 1. It will give us 23. So 11 times 2 is 22 plus 1, which is 23. So as I highlighted it, this is the exceptional case. Hydrogen, nitrogen, and chlorine. So there is no sodium in it. So I believe you understand this video, and if you enjoy this video, share it with your younger ones or your children or your students. Even if you are a teacher, try to adopt this method for your students. I do believe that they will find it easy to memorize the mass number, because the symbol of the elements themselves, and also the mass number, including the atomic number, is like plays a vital period for like 60 to 50% of chemistry. There's no way you can do chemistry without knowing elements, their mass number, and their atomic number, and their symbols. So try and keep on following this video. Thank you, and you are welcome. You are always welcome to my video and to my class. Make sure you follow my page and you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click on the notification button. Whenever I posted my new video, you will get notified. Thank you. See you in the next class. Love you all.